how many dollars will it cost you? Well, for every dollar you take out, you get 10. So how many rands will this imply? So it's 100 divided by 10 rand. So in dollar terms, this case of wine costs you only $10 now. So our exports, wine, the price in America has decreased. So we can expect that exports will increase on account of the depreciation of the rand. To discuss the effect of an depreciation on imports, we can use a different example. Let's say we're going to buy a product in America. We're going to import from America. And the product cost that we're going to import, say a nice pair of cowboy boots, cost $200